Hello everyone! Today I got a brand new Thomas & Friends Motorized set. This is the paint delivery set. This set just came out of my local Walmart a day ago. I did get it from yesterday. But I think this was shipped to my Walmart after the grand reopening. They redid everything. Apparently this is one of the new items I got since then. Well, since the reopening. But yeah, it comes with a reboot paint splatter Thomas, a troublesome truck with a paint barrel, and a circular track, as you can see in the back. And this set features the first release of Wayland Station. This station is located on the mainland. As evidenced, as shown in the season 1 episode, Overnight Stop. Now, in case you don't know what the episode is, but be warned, there's going to be spoilers. Well, for those who haven't seen the episode, if you want to ignore all the spoilers, be sure to skip. Well, just do whatever whenever you don't want to hear spoilers. Just skip to the review, or just don't listen at all. Either way. But yeah, in that episode, Thomas, Percy, and Nia had to take 9 tanker cars all the way to Wayland on the mainland. It's a very long journey, and in case they don't make it there on time, they'll have to make an overnight stop in the woods, which is actually what they did. Percy fears from being away from home. Thomas and Nia had to help him out, and well, it worked. Percy got over his fear from being away from home and got the delivery made. So yeah, that's the story. But now, on to the set. But yes, this set features the first release of Wayland Station. Yes, that's the name of the station. Now, I'm gonna get this open. Open it up and see what we got. There we go. Oh, wait. I forgot tape. Ooh, I can just peel it right off. Hopefully I can do this without damaging the box. There we go. Platform. Track, accessories. Sticker details and instructions. instructions and sticker details. One of them featuring a promotional image. There's Thomas, Percy being covered in yellow paint, Diesel, Nia, and Kana. Yeah, there's stickers for certain parts of the set. We got a track, a bumpy bridge, another paint barrel, more track, the station, a buffer, there. Let's see, a sign, this unique piece of track, a ramp, let's see, a roof with a chimney. Again, here's a platform, a crane arm with a hook, a stop and go track. And now I just need to get Thomas and the green troublesome truck out. There's that green troublesome truck with his face covered in a bit of paint. And just need to get Thomas. Aha! Just as I suspected. Some sort of twisty ties. No. I know. This. I know. Don't worry, Thomas. I'm getting you out of here. twists, some ties, and Thomas is completely free. Sorry, it took me a bit long to get him out. It's just that I never seen Thomas with a with a bit of plastic to protect him from theft. Well, I never knew he got some sort of twisty ties under him. So, I guess that's cool. And no, both of these can't go into the truck. Only one or the other. So for now, I'm just gonna leave the yellow one inside. But anyways, here's Thomas. He seems to be in shock that he's getting covered in paint. Yeah, there's paint. There's paint splatter on one side. Not clean on the back. More paint on another side with a squirrel. And a bit of paint on Thomas's face. There's the top and bottom. And now, the green troublesome truck. Now one of the main reasons why I wanted to get this set is because of this truck. And as we see, this truck has a tipping feature. Oh, and as we can see, we have this low knob that tips over. Because trucks are troublesome. I mean, why else wouldn't they be called that? Or why else would they not be called that? But yeah, it has the tipping feature, so it can spill out some paint, and of course, causing trouble for the engines, like Thomas. I'll get this truck put aside and give Thomas 2 AAAs. Because that's what these engines take. Am I wrong? Of course not. I knew that. Ooh. Sorry, something just flew in my face. But yeah. He runs nicely. Freely and nicely. You better watch out, Thomas, because I'm going to cause some trouble for you. Oh, you won't get away with it. You won't. Oh, I will. Sorry my impressions aren't that good. Yeah, sorry if my impressions aren't that good. I think I did the truck's impression just fine. If correct me. But yeah, I couldn't help myself. I mean, I love these guys. Now, if only we had a normal, if only I had a normal model of him. You know, just standard just a standard truck without the paint on the face, without the tipping feature. Similar to his comrade, the red troublesome truck from the Talking Cranky set. If only this truck got the same treatment as the red truck, then the pair would be complete. Hoping someday that will happen, but for now, I should be happy with this truck. So yeah, that's on the set. I'm gonna put everything together. Well, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put everything together and see how it works. So please, stay tuned.